What's up mga Kokote? It's me, Kuya Kyle, and welcome to Quadernos, where learn is the name of the game. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa YouTube channel, don't forget to click the subscribe, like, and share buttons for more updates and videos. So welcome to our introduction and, as usual, our trivia for the day. So ang trivia natin ngayon guys ay, alam nyo ba na Victorians once used leeches to predict the weather? Kung di nyo alam, ang leeches ay ang mga creatures na humihigop ng ating dugo na pag dumapo sa atin ay naku po, kung higupin ang ating dugo ay kakaiba. George Merriweather was a Victorian doctor and a fan of poetry. In fact, it was in a poem that he found the inspiration to build the Tempest Prognosticator, a kind of barometer powered by leeches. The 3-foot tall contraption was as beautiful as it was intended to be useful. The brass and mahogany structure held 12 glass vials in place, each of which contained a single leech. If it was going to rain soon, the leeches would slither to the top of the vial. By the end of this project, Meriwether had grown so attached to his leeches. He swore that they had befriended him. Unfortunately, only a few of them were actually successful at predicting the weather. Others, he wrote, were absolutely stupid. Oh. So, next up, we have our agenda for today. We're done to the trivia and now we're heading to our agenda. So, ang agenda natin ngayon ay know more about film reviews. So, ito ay sako pa rin ng viewing comprehension. Next is knowing the steps to organize a film review and importance of review writing. So, film reviews. Ano nga bang film reviews? Film reviews is a movie review is written with the basic goal of informing the readers about the movie and its concept. Although it seems easy to report all the events happening in the movie and state your opinion, this is a frequent blunder that a lot of students make. While you can express your opinion in a movie review about a film or a documentary, you should do so with a creative and unbiased approach. So that is how you do a movie review. Dapat pag magre-review ka and ng isang movie ay i-specify mo yung mga events doon and gamitin mo yung sarili mong opinion kung ano yung talagang naramdaman mo sa movie na yun. And huwag kang maging bias, no? As much as possible, huwag tayong maging bias. Kahit alam nating favorite natin tong hero na to, huwag tayong maging bias dito, okay? Be honest in reviewing a film and or a documentary. Express your opinion. Feel free. Feel free to approach lagi. And you should be creative. And ayun nga, unbiased approach. Huwag kang bias. The following are steps in organizing your film review. So, here are the steps in organizing your film review. Ano nga ba ang mga steps? Siyempre, lahat ng bagay, dapat may sarili-sariling procedure yan. Hindi pwedeng basta-bastahin natin yan. Kailangan natin pagplanuhan. Sa plano na yun, siyempre, laging may steps, di ba? So, ito na, bibigay ko sa inyo yung mga steps. Una, siyempre, introduction. Parang itong video natin, kailangan natin introduction. So, ang introduction includes the name of the movie or the documentary, its release date, and background information. So, bakit nga mahalaga itong introduction na to? Siyempre, first of all, para malaman mo kung ano yung pinapanood mo. And pag alam mo yung pinapanood mo, and alam mo na kung tungkol siya saan, may specific siyang topic na pag tinanong sa'yo, uy, napanood mo tong movie na to, and masasabi ka na lang na, ay, oo, ganito yan. Ganito, ganyan. And then, yung release date. Sa introduction, syempre, release date, pinakamalaga yan kung kailan nagawa yung movie. Kasi may mga movie na parang ang bago sa atin, pero matagal na pala. Diba? May mga ganun ba kayo na-encounter? Kasi ako meron. Akala ko bago lang siya, pero matagal na pala kasi ngayon ko lang nakita. And yung background information. Ayun nga, yung iba pa na kasama sa introduction, mahalaga siya sa isang film or documentary movie. Yon, mahalaga siya. Next is summary. Provides a brief overview of the story. Mahalaga din to, syempre. Para, para pag in case na kailangan mong or may mga nakalimutan kang specific scene sa movie or sa documentary na kailangan mong i-review, hindi mo na kailangang i-rewatch yung buong movie. Pwede mong tingnan yung summary. Or kung tinatamad ka manood, pwede mong tingnan yung summary. Kasi doon nakalagay na yung, para siyang pinaikli. Sinamarize siya. In short, sinamarize. Pinaikli yung movie, pero lahat ng details nandun. Kompleto recados. Hindi lang siya na specify, pero nandun siya. Isa sa mga, isa siya sa importanteng nangyari sa movie. It's not, summary is not all about little things. It's about the important things that happen in the story. Next is nabubulol na ako, sorry. Analysis of the event. Analysis of the events. Analyze the plot and important events like action and climax. So, bakit mo natin mahalagang i-analyze yun? Mahalaga nating i-analyze yun para mas maintindihan natin kung saan ba yung movie talaga. Kung tungkol saan ba siya. And yung mga important events and actions. Kasi doon natin malalaman kung ano yung pinapoint out ng movie. If na-analyze natin yung events. Example, my birthday. Pag in-analyze natin ba't may birthday, kasi kaarawan ng character. And gantong age siya. Ganto, ganyan. Parang, pag in-analyze natin yung bawat events, unti-unti tayo nagbi-build up ng curiosity. Kung ano yung mangyayari next. For example, like, sa army, nag-aayos ng bala. Parang may curiosity na tayo and may prediction na tayo na, ay, may war dito. Ay, may mangyayari ganito. Ay, yung kahalaga ng pag-analyze, ng analysis natin sa isang movie or documentary. And next, you have creative elements. Describe the characters, dialogues, camera, work, costumes, use of colors, genre, tone, symbols, or anything that adds to or misses from the overall story. So, this is what you call the mga elements, yung mga creative elements natin sa story. Dun mo parang makikita and dun ka parang ma-appeal kung paano ka ma-appeal dun sa mga sa color ng isang movie, sa mga ginagamit nilang music, kung gaano ba to intense, gaano ba to kasaya, gaano ba to nakakatakot, sa mga characters, yung mga roles nila, nagagampanan ba nila ng mabuti, yung mga costumes, of course. Like, bongga ba yung costume? Masarap ba sa mata? Nakaka-appeal ba? Parang masarap ba gayahin? Na-influence ka rin ba na magsuot ko rin ng ganong costume? Or anything that adds sa story. Or yung mga dapat nandun sa story. Ayun yung part siya ng creative elements. So, next is opinion. Support your opinion with facts and examples from the story. From the word opinion, ibig sabihin nun, sarili mong pananaw. Sarili mong perception yun. Kung ano yung pagtingin mo sa mga bagay. And kung ano yung nakita mo sa story. But, if you're gonna express your opinion, make sure na yung opinion mo ay totoo. And nandun siya sa story. Huwag kang gagawa ng opinion out of the story, out of the topic. Kasi, you will sound stupid pag ganun. Parang, nagawa ka ng kwento lang. Kaya mahalaga yung opinion mo sa isang movie or documentary. Next is conclusion. Announce whether the filmmaker succeeded in his or her goal. Paraphrase your evidence. And also explain how the film helped in developing deeper understanding. So, further of all, ito yung one of the pinakamahalaga talaga. Kasi dito natin malalaman kung na-express ba ng filmmaker yung kailangan niyang i-express, yung goal niya. And in this way, you're the one to announce if he or she succeeded. And then you need to do is i-paraphrase mo yung evidence mo, i-elaborate mo. Ganto, ganyan. And explain mo rin kung paano kung paano nakatulong yung film para mag-develop ng deeper understanding mo sa pinakita niya. Ano yung mga bagay na mas naintindihan mo about sa film na nangyari doon? Gets nyo? Parang ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, you're the one who will elaborate what happened and paano mas naging paano mo mas naintindihan yung movie sa anong specific scenario siya nangyari. And yon. Next up, we have the importance of review writing. So, film review should present an in-depth analysis. So, it can help the reader to form an honest opinion and whether they would like it and want to see it. Because a film review involves the study of events that took place in a, let's say, docudrama or a regular movie. Reviews check your vocabulary and writing skills and abilities to adapt to the different genres and incidents that they present, and the capacity to summarize some significant work and describe it in an organized and interesting manner. And also the quality of the review will depend on the way you have organized the events and your thoughts on it. It is also important to prepare a well-structured outline. Whether you are writing an essay or a movie review, outlines will let you emphasize on the topic and make your report flow in a logical manner. Because it would be particularly helpful if you organize all the things before you start with your review writing. Because this will save a lot of your time instead of wondering what to incorporate, you'll have a clear plan to follow. So, in making a review writing, sobrang halaga ng may paplano ka muna and yung events is saktong-sakto sa isusulat mong review. Kasi makakaiwas siya sa mga misunderstanding and miscomprehensions. Parang mas matutulungan mo pa yung filmmaker na malaman yung ginawa niyang movie or documentary. And, ayun. Thank you for listening, guys. I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa ating film reviews. And, as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is your Kuya Kyle signing out.